everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Angeline and I am the owner of Angelic Creations. Easter is coming up, so we have decided to start rolling out our Easter DIY projects. So let's get started with the materials that you're going to need in order to create this look. You will need some plastic plates. I purchased these from Dollar Tree. You will need your plastic bags, gift bags. I purchased these from Dollar Tree. You will need some tape. You will need some streamer. You will need some shredded paper, and you will also need candy of your choice along with some balloon sticks. Now these came this length. I just cut these two in half. Okay, so the first step we're going to do is we're going to place our shredded paper onto our plate. You don't need this, it's optional, but just to create an extra look, I decided to add it. And I am taking a handful of candy, placing it on the plate. And now you're going to take your other plate and place that on top of the plate. And you have something that looks like this. Okay? Now, in order to attach these two plates together, you can use hot glue or you can use some tape. So I'm just going to cut off a piece of my tape. And I'm going to tape these two pieces together. And I'm only going to use 2 strips, one on each side. You can use 4. However, it's going to be placed in plastic. And that allows the kids to get to it quicker. So I feel that 2 pieces will be enough. Candy isn't going anywhere. Okay, so you should have something that looks like this. Now you're going to take your stick. You're going to place it on the back of your plate and you're going to tape it down. Okay. Grab a piece of tape. And tape your piece down. Like this. And you have something that looks like this so far. And now you want to place it inside of your bag. And I'm sure at this point you can guess what we have created. And this is where your streamer come in. You want to grab a piece of the streamer, wrap it around, and then you're going to tie it. Two times is enough. Okay, now you can just leave these 2 pieces on here or you can create more. It's up to you. I'm going to add a few more because I like mine to be full. Okay, and here's the finished look. Cute. I like it. It's pretty. Okay, so I have a different size for you all, and I have already attached these pieces together. So this is a different size plate. And as you can see, I have already filled it. But we're going to repeat the same steps. Get your stick. And you're going to tape it down and place it inside of your bag. And towards the end, when we tie everything together, you'll see the difference. I'm going to use a ribbon instead of using the streamer. Okay? Same steps. Okay, so here's the completed look. We have the smaller one with the streamer, and we have the larger one with the ribbon. So let me know which one is your favorite. I hope you all give these a try. Really simple and easy. And if you have any questions, do not forget to leave them in the comment section below. And until next time, bye.